Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shawn Pourgol. I'm an osteopath and today I will speak to you why you should study osteopathy. Osteopathy is an amazing profession. You would love it. It does wonders in treating chronic pain. By becoming a manual osteopath, you would become a miracle worker. You would treat cases that other health professionals couldn't. You would do miracles on a daily basis. I can speak to you for hours about the benefits of osteopathy, but to keep the video short, I will speak on only two aspects of it, the financial as well as the emotional part of it, the job. The emotional part is your ability to treat chronic pain, which other health professionals find hard to treat. But manual osteopaths, they do wonders in that. Because of that, your ability to treat chronic pain, all your other benefits are based on that. For example, manual osteopaths, by the way, by manual osteopaths, I also mean there are different terms in Canada for it, 4 different terms. Practitioners of manual osteopathy, they can be called manual osteopaths, osteopathic manual practitioners, osteopathic manual therapists, or in the province of Quebec, they're called also osteopaths. In Canada, manual osteopaths enjoy the highest patient loyalty rate between 25 different health professions at a rate of 97%. That means out of the 100 patients they see, 97% remain for them and do not change manual osteopath. This is the highest rate in Canada, second followed by family physician. This is amazing. It means once you receive a patient, most likely this patient stays with you. Manual osteopaths also have the highest job satisfaction rate in Canada at 98%, and that is basically, I feel, because of their ability to treat chronic pain. Patients are really satisfied with their help. Imagine patients who for years had pain, gone to other health professionals, couldn't get help, and come to you and you help them. That emotional satisfaction is unheard of. You would love every minute of this profession. The other point why you should become manual osteopath is the financial reward, and that also is based because of your ability to treat chronic pain. Manual osteopaths enjoy one of the highest paid health professions in Canada. The average annual salary for manual osteopath is $90,000 in Canada. However, our students generally make about $150,000 per year because we teach them everything we know about business. We teach them over 200 business lectures, so they fill up their practices quickly. We have some 2 young students who just after graduation in the first year made over $300,000 a year. We have students like Dr. Lisa Egbuga in Toronto who charges $275 per hour. By the way, the Toronto Star newspaper chosen Dr. Lisa as #1 manual osteopath in 2019. We have Dr. Thomas Andrew in Bermuda who's charging $300 per hour. We have Kenny Wong in Malaysia who's charging $400 per hour. The profession is highly rewarding because in many times they can charge higher because the kind of care they provide is high in demand. Not so many other people can provide treatments for chronic pain. So when you can get rid of pain people have for many years, you can charge appropriate amount for your services. So these are some of the main reasons that you should consider becoming a manual osteopath. It's again, as I said, it's an amazing profession. You would fill up your practice quickly. Many of our graduates become fully booked within months after graduation. Osteopathy is one of the top 25 professions in demand in Canada. There is no job saturation. I think in the whole Canada there is about 3,000 manual osteopaths. Compare that to 11,000 massage therapists just in the province of Ontario, 11,000 physiotherapists in province of Ontario, 5,000 chiropractors in the province of Ontario. You see, there is a lot of room to grow for manual osteopathy profession. And it's just a beautiful profession. Everybody loves manual osteopaths because of the help they provide to patients. So please join us. It is a wonderful profession. Just to give you one example about what chronic pain management does and how rapid you can grow. I opened a clinic in September 2017. It's called Osteopathy Chronic Pain Clinics of Canada. Our first clinic was in Toronto, and now we have 329 clinics in 30 countries, and our ability to grow is exactly because of the ability of our manual osteopaths in treating chronic pain. By the way, my clinics only hires my students at National Academy of Osteopathy in Canada, National University of Medical Sciences in Madrid, Spain, and National University of Medical Sciences in Florida, US. We only work with our own alumni because I think they are some of the best manual osteopaths in the world. That's it for today. Enjoy the rest of this wonderful, beautiful day. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, bye for now.